Kendra, do you like to party?
I don't potty.
You know what?
I don't potty. I don't potty.
She doesn't
I
potty.
don't potty.
You don't party?
I don't potty.
No, party.
I don't potty.
Okay. Okay.
Cats. Want to talk about cats?
Last night, you know how I ate salad with my fingers? Because he was getting so mad.
Why?
Because I was eating it with my fingers.
What a bitch. He's gonna watch this too.
I was like, this is how I eat my salad.
What did he say about our other video?
It was funny. He watched it while I was on the phone with him. And he does that.
Makes things awkward. Because you're like,
I'm like, oh
shut it
god, what
off.
part's this? Oh no. Wow. You watch this right now. Really? What's your favorite song? Kendra's my girlfriend.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You just kissed my lip.
I kissed her.
What is CJ gonna say about this? I'm a little Benny, short and fat. Here is my head with no hat. When I get all happy, I get round, and then I get drawn all around. Yay! I get drawn all around. Here is my head with no hat.
I'm a little Benny, short and fat. Here is my head with no hat. When I get all happy, I get round, then I get all around. Yay! I'm a little Benny, short and fat. Here is my head with no hat. When I get all happy, I get round, and I get drawn all around. Let's have a good conversation. About what? Cats? Cats?
What about a stash?
What? Would you give me a kiss?
If you had a beard?
Would you give me a kiss? Mustache.
I wanna rock your body.
Hey.